Alright, just a quick video. So your AngelEye is not working anymore, so your bulb must be broken. So let's take it out and see what it's all about. Okay, so the BMW wants you to buy all this thing because they have glued this thing together. You can get from aftermarket something that doesn't have glued things over here, so you can just change it, and then you can just only change this little bulb over here, not the entire lamp. But I will show you how you can make it easy and cheap fix if you are a cheap bastard like me. So what you wanna do here is you need to get this bulb out from this side, because there is a little sprinkle inside, so you can, when you click it, it comes loose inside, and when you click it again, it goes locked mode. So how you get the bulb out? It's easy fix. You put a nail in the one place here, right? So you have to make it, that it goes in here. Maybe you need to do it several times, but in the end you get the little hole here. So now when I push the bulb in, okay, now it doesn't want to come, but alright, okay, yes, you have to push it in, and now the little hole we made, this bulb now can, the focus is out, okay, now we can, we can take this knob out and it comes out. And now all you need to do is buy only this bulb. So you get the new one. It's much more cheaper than all this, and you put the new bulb in like this. Where is the new created hole? This is the last part. So first let's put it like this in, and then like this, and then you push it down and turn a little, and now it's fixed, and you can put it in again, and it's easy and cheap fix for a bulb, and you don't have to buy the whole thing. You don't even need the aftermarket thing. You can just change bulb. And okay, there is a chance that you will destroy this thing, but that's not my fault, so you have to be very careful. But if you break it, you just buy it all new lamp, and no big deal. So good luck, and I'll show you in detail. When you push the bulb down, it goes down and right, so it's locked. And then when you want to unlock it, you push it down and turn it this way, so it comes out. And when it comes out, you can rotate it how you like, and you push down and lock it. And there you go, final product. AngelEye is fixed. A few side notes: when AngelEye's bulb is off, broken, the side blinker will turn on. So every time I lose my bulb, I take the other one out as well, so I don't ride like this. So I take the other, just remove the connection. It's stuck. God damn it. Okay. So the other side turns like this, so you are symmetrical. You ride along like American mode, USA style. So when you get, don't remove the bulb if you are not going to fix it, because you get the dust inside the light, and later on it will not work as it's supposed. But just a little funny thing. Okay, so fixed. And one more thing, you wanna make sure you buy the right wattage of the bulb. 10 watts and 12 volts was written on mine, so I bought the same. If you buy a little lower wattage, you will get very dimmed AngelEye, and that sucks. And always clean your bulbs with clean cloth after you touch them with your fingers, because you know finger fat will make them burn out faster. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.